It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, or subscribing if you like this video. Okay y'all, so I'm back at it again with another hair review. This is from UNice Hair Company, and they were kind enough to sponsor today's video, so we're going to get into what they brought over. Okay y'all, so UNice Hair Company, their boxes are standard, rarely do a change. It looks like this when you order, just like that. Yeah, so they sent over a UPart unit, their UPart unit. They have a new and improved and updated UPart unit, and we'll be the judge of that because we're going to unbox it together and we're going to check it out and we're going to put it on. So we're going to see. Now, if you're not familiar with how a typical UPart looks, this is how it looks. And if you want to get a quick sneak peek before we take it out on how their updated version looks, this is how that looks. Okay y'all, so let's open up this box and let's get into what they sent over. Now I have a 16-inch UPart unit, and I believe it's 16 inches. No, is that what I just said? No, I have a 16-inch unit, and I believe I chose Bodywave in the texture. Okay, so opening up the box, everything is packaged up nice and neat. You get a headband, and I actually think I have a headband like this already, so I could get this to my daughter. You get wig caps, looks like this, but we won't be needing this because this is a UPart unit. So yeah, and then this is the wig here. So let's take her out. I'm excited about this because I just got my hair done and I have some curls in, so I'm hoping my hair will blend nice with, you know, a body wave texture, since I already kind of have a little curl going on to my hair. So let's take this off, and this is how it's looking, like that. So as you see, they made their, hold on, let it focus. So as you can see, they made theirs a little more narrower than the norm. They also did this little flip over method with the hairs, so you don't have those two tracks showing right there. This is like a flip over, like the track is flipped over, so to speak, just to give you an idea of what it is it's really looking like. So yeah, you have your combs on the inside, and you have an adjustable strap as well. Yep, you have an adjustable strap as well. So with the UPart, what we're going to do is we're going to cut these two lines here. You have to cut those. Okay. Okay, y'all. So because they made their opening to this UPart more narrow, we're gonna need less hair. So we're not gonna take out, we're not gonna leave out a whole lot of hair because this is the new and improved unit. And this is the new and improved unit, so we can't take out just a whole lot of hair that we typically would with your normal UPart wig. So we're gonna take out just a little bit because this opening is narrow. It's not as wide as what you know, we're used to. Back into a ponytail. And then I'm gonna make a little bun with it, like that. We're gonna take this. It actually has lace in the back. That's interesting. We're gonna put these combs in on the side of our part. Put that middle comb in. Slide them in. Make sure they're pretty snug like bobby pins. Take that back comb. Slide that in. And this is how it looks, just like this. Let's turn around to the back. Okay, y'all, so now we're going to take our hair apart and oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Is this it? Let me get my mirror. Hold on. It's so cute. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks if we kept, hold on, if we kept a middle part. Looks like this. So cute. This is the side. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to do a side part. Yeah, my whole camera just shut off and I didn't even know that it did. So yeah, I was just talking and styling and didn't even know the camera was cut off. But okay, we're at this point now. So okay, basically, because this is an updated version, their UPart opening is more narrow, so you don't have as much leave out of your own to work with. So doing like those deep side parts, or you know, trying to do those half up half downs, that's not what this particular unit would be for. It would be for those who just want simplicity. You just want that middle part, that neat middle part, you know. Yeah, you may want like a slight side part, which was a look that I did, but the camera cut off. So if I have a smidget of a piece of footage for that, I'll include it. But yeah, so this is for those who don't want the maintenance of having a lot of leave out. So you won't have to really worry about a lot of heat damage, upkeep of your natural hair against this you know, wig hair. I like this method. It might take some getting used to if you're just one of those UPart wig wearers and you're used to how wide that opening is. With this one, because it's more narrow, I like it because I feel like you won't have as much damage to your hair over time, you know, because you do still have to maintain your leave out. It's like a sew-in. It's a sew-in, you know. It's like a sew-in, except you can take this back piece off, you know, almost like a side toupee. Yeah, that's what it's kind of reminds me of, like a toupee for the perimeter of your head, you know. So you're just working with your natural hair on the top and a very small amount of it at that. So for those who might have thinner hair or have just hair issues, this unit is more accommodating for you, because you don't need a lot of leave out for this unit. I really like this. Yeah, I didn't even do nothing to these curls. These are the curls just straight out the box. And then mind you, my hair was already kind of curled too, so this is just like, I'm done. Like I can walk, I literally can walk out the door. I can walk out the door with this hairstyle. It's very nice. It's very full. This 16" and this body wave is still a very natural hair length. It's still very natural. It's very, very pretty, y'all. Like really bouncy, and it's dark. It's not one of those natural hair colors to where it's more brown than dark, more brown than black. This is like a dark, a very dark color, so it matches with my hair really well, at least from what I'm seeing in the camera, in my mirror right here. Like this is my hair and my curls, and then this is the start of the curls for the wig. So I'm feeling like, yeah, my hair is matching pretty well with this unit. I'm gonna show you guys the back one last time. Looks like that. This is 16 inches. Yeah, it's really, really nice. So I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really think you guys will enjoy this unit. Be sure to check out the description box for all the links and details that you will need. UNice Hair Company, thank you so much for sending this over. Yeah, so that I can share with the people what you got to offer. And I really think you guys will like this. This is something I'm definitely keeping. I'm definitely wearing. Summertime coming, like you can have your whole hair done, don't even have to worry about being hot and like sweating your natural hairstyle out, you know. Like you can throw one of these on for the summer, a smidget of your own hair out, and you out the door. Like you have a complete look. You have a whole complete look. You can throw this back into a ponytail if you wanted to, like give you some inches. Like girl, you better check that description box out. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye.